The Universe Part 2. Throughout recorded history, several cosmologies and cosmogonies have been proposed to account for observations of the universe. The earliest quantitative geocentric models were developed by the ancient Greeks, who proposed that the universe possesses infinite space and has existed eternally, but contains a single set of concentric spheres of finite size, corresponding to the fixed stars, the Sun and various planets, rotating about a spherical but unmoving Earth. Over the centuries, more precise observations and improved theories of gravity led to Copernicus' heliocentric model and the Newtonian model of the solar system, respectively. Further improvements in astronomy led to the characterization of the Milky Way and the discovery of other galaxies and the microwave background radiation. Careful studies of the distribution of these galaxies and their spectral lines have led to much of modern cosmology. The word universe derives from the Old French word univers, which in turn derives from the Latin word universum. The Latin word was used by Cicero and later Latin authors in many of the same senses as the modern English word is used. The Latin word derives from the poetic contraction unversum, first used by Lucretius in Book V, line 262, of his De Rerum Natura, on the nature of things, which connects uni, the combining form of unus, or one with versum, a noun made from the perfect passive participle of vertere, meaning something rotated, rolled, changed. Lucretius used the word in the sense everything rolled into one, everything combined into one. Artistic rendition of a Foucault pendulum showing that the Earth is not stationary, but rotates. An alternative interpretation of unversum is everything rotated as one or everything rotated by one. In this sense, it may be considered a translation of an earlier Greek word for the universe, something transported in a circle, originally used to describe the course of a meal, the food being carried around the circle of dinner guests. This Greek word refers to an early Greek model of the universe, in which all matter was contained within rotating spheres centered on the Earth. According to Aristotle, the rotation of the outermost sphere was responsible for the motion and change of everything within. It was natural for the Greeks to assume that the Earth was stationary and that the heavens rotated about the Earth, because careful astronomical and physical measurements, such as the Foucault pendulum, are required to prove otherwise. The most common term for universe among the ancient Greek philosophers from Pythagoras onwards was the all, defined as all matter and all space. Other synonyms for the universe among the ancient Greek philosophers included, meaning the world, the cosmos, and, meaning nature, from which we derive the word physics. The same synonyms are found in Latin authors, totum, mundus, natura, and survive in modern languages. For example, the German words das All, Weltall, and natur for universe. The same synonyms are found in English, such as everything, as in the theory of everything, the cosmos, as in cosmology, the world, as in the many worlds hypothesis, and nature, as in natural laws or natural philosophy.